Mastering ordinal numbers, dates and sequences made easy. Hello, dear learners. Today, we will delve into a very essential topic in English learning: using ordinal numbers and dates and sequences. Understanding and correctly using ordinal numbers is a key part of becoming fluent in English, and it's especially crucial when dealing with dates and sequences. So, buckle up as we take a fun and engaging journey through the world of ordinal numbers. Before we get into dates and sequences, let's quickly brush up on what ordinal numbers are. They are numbers that indicate the position or order of things in a list. For example, the words first, second, third, and so on are all ordinal numbers. When it comes to dates, English uses ordinal numbers to indicate the day of the month. For instance, when you say May 23rd, you are using the ordinal number 23rd to show which day of the month it is. Similarly, February 1st, December 25th, and June 15th all use ordinal numbers to state the day of the month. Remember, while writing dates in English, the day, an ordinal number, comes before the month, and then the year. For example, the 23rd of May 2023. Ordinal numbers also play a crucial role in sequences, or lists. For instance, when you're describing the order of people in a race, you might say, John was first, Mary was second, and Sam was third. In another example, if you're giving instructions, you might use ordinal numbers to indicate the order of steps. First, turn on the computer. Second, open the document. Third, start editing. It's important to differentiate between ordinal numbers, first, second, third, etc., and cardinal numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. Cardinal numbers tell us how many, while ordinal numbers tell us the position or order. For example, if you have 3 apples, you're using a cardinal number, 3. But if you're talking about the third apple, you're using an ordinal number, third. And there you have it. Now you should have a solid understanding of how to use ordinal numbers in dates and sequences. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new language skill. Try using these ordinal numbers in your daily English conversations and writings. We hope this video was helpful, and we look forward to guiding you on your English learning journey in our future videos. Keep learning, and happy studying!